Hong Kong is changing tactics as it battles a continued surge in COVID-19 cases. Chief Executive Carrie Lam says the government's plans to conduct citywide testing no longer a priority. Authorities will first focus on bringing infections and deaths down. Daily cases have jumped past 58,000. Mrs. Lam will now hold daily briefings to keep the public updated on the situation until this fifth wave is brought under control. Deborah Wong reports.
Chief Executive Carrie Lam addressed the media in a face mask in her first press briefing in nearly 2 weeks. She had previously opted not to wear one during briefings to express her emotions better. It sends a clear signal. Hong Kong's COVID-19 situation has escalated far beyond expectations, with Mrs. Lam warning that it's speculative to assume cases have peaked. Now that, along with the city's pandemic strategy, has shifted gears once again, this time on whether there will be universal testing, and if so, when.
第一呢，就係呢個全民強制檢測呢，仍然係喺我哋規劃裏邊嘅工作啊。但係當然幾時去啟動呢，要考慮香港嘅疫情，同埋喺咩時候啟動呢，佢會達至最佳嘅效果啊。但係如果唔做細化方案同埋唔做籌備呢，根本就冇機會可以做一個全民強制檢測。
The lack of a time frame triggered panic buying of essentials across the city in the last 2 weeks. Mrs. Lam's comments come as Hong Kong rolled out an online platform for residents to report their positive tests taken by rapid test kits, essentially cutting the need and the long wait for PCR tests. The mainland has also urged the city to prioritize reducing infections, severe illnesses and deaths, many of whom are the unvaccinated elderly. Now this includes ramping up vaccination rates and setting aside 16,000 beds for infected patients. Queen Elizabeth Hospital will be converted into a COVID-19 treatment facility, while the city will set up a designated facility to care for elderly COVID-19 patients. Wednesday's briefing marks the start of daily press conferences Mrs. Lam will give in an attempt to provide timely information about the government's strategies. As to why this was necessary, she said she's leading the charge in Hong Kong's fight against the virus.
我相信大家唔想成日見到我㗎啦嚇，早啲見唔到我咧，即係話香港已經回復返正常嘅生活。
The daily COVID-19 briefings by the Department of Health will continue to provide more technical updates. Deborah Wong, CNA, Hong Kong.